Okay, so I got another train here at the Vermont and Essex layout. It's kind of where I left off in the other video. Here we got this giant water tower and industrial complex. And the industries go back all the way over here. Some people will recognize that as being the Walters paper mill kit. Looks like a cloth or pulpwood. And then you have here a wooded area. Logging truck. You can see it's so elaborately built. We have schematics here, walk around throttles. A huge wooded area. It's so beautifully done. Look at this gigantic bridge. So much detail put into the stream here with the rocks and the sediment type riverbed. Here it comes around in a half loop. And here you see this other huge trestle bridge. Again, much attention to detail. And here's where that loop comes around again, cleverly disguised as an interchange. Look at the bus on this road here. The trains come underneath. And here we are, the last bit of that first layout. This is the 1970s era layout now. So hopefully I will show some more trains on this. And look at all the size of the room here. This plus the other side of the wall. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.